हालींच ताळगांवची आमदार जेनिफर मोन्सेरात भायर पडली. ताका लागून ताळगांवां सद्याक वेकन्सी आसा. आपले आवयन केल्लें कार्य आनी लोकांकडे आशिल्लो तिचो संपर्क मुखार असोच उरचो हे खातीर ताळगांव मतदारसंघांतल्यान विष्णूक लढोवपाची इच्छा रोहितान उक्तायल्या.
I will be standing for assembly elections, but then the party will tell me which seat we can take. See, I would like to contest in Taleigao because it's my mom's seat also. And I know she had a very good relationship with the people of Taleigao, so I want to continue that legacy in Taleigao. But it will depend on the party also. If the party sees me as a fit candidate in that area, then I will contest wherever they say. But my mom had started a lot of good work in that area, and a lot of people thought of very fondly of her. So I want to continue that legacy. So whatever work she could not have completed, like she started all that sewage network and everything, was not done. So whatever her legacy was, no, I want to finish whatever her thing was, whatever her vision of Talegaon was. So I would like to stand in Talegaon. Ultimately, the party is the highest. No? So if they decide that they want to put me in Santa Cruz, then I will live by that decision, whatever the thing is. It's not an issue for me.